What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Almighty Mac. Here I'm going to be showing you Christmas of 2020. I went out and I had went and splurged on my daughter, and I think I spent probably about $1,500 just for the whole entire Christmas. Right now what she's doing is opening one of her favorite gifts that she had got from 2020, which was a trampoline set. Something that you don't know about her is right now she's currently in gymnastics, and she absolutely loves gymnastics. Also, I have my niece here with me this Christmas. One thing you don't know about her as well, but you'll see later on in the video, that she loves makeup. She got a entire thing of makeup this Christmas. Being this is a voiceover, I'm not going to say too much throughout the video, but I will come back and say a few things, a few little snippets here and there. But throughout the video, I am just going to play music throughout the background. And this is the James Charles makeup palette that my niece had got for Christmas of 2020. Don't worry about the mess that y'all see now, because trust me, it's going to get a whole lot messier later on. This is right here going to be our first round of cleaning. Trust me, there's going to be many more rounds to come. My daughter was so excited. Christmas just opening so many presents. Girl is literally having the time of her life right now. Okay, yes, you're a big girl. You got it. I'm sorry. Well, Ma, can I get some money too? I see somebody bless you this Christmas, huh? My niece is now opening her ring light that she got to go along with her makeup. Like I said before, my niece, she literally loves makeup. I think, is gonna be a makeup artist when she gets older. My mom had went and got my daughter a JoJo CY doll. When I tell you she fell in love with this doll the moment she opened it, oh my gosh. Told you I was gonna get a whole lot messier. I'm gonna show you guys what it looked like before all of this started. A complete difference, right? I'm telling you guys, a complete difference. But don't worry, we about to clean this up real soon. Now that's a whole lot better. It's not too much clean, but it's a little bit better. My daughter is so fixated on this glow up bear that I had got her this Christmas. Alright, this was Christmas 2020. Thank you guys for watching the video so far. Thank you guys who are subscribed to my channel. Please like, comment, and share the video if you care. Subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.